Yo, what's up people? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Excel tips and tricks tutorial number 1. And in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how can we add leading zeros. So let's get started. The first thing is, what are leading zeros? Let's suppose I type something like 05945432237 and 095. That would be my number, by the way. So I don't get 0. It gets omitted or removed by default. Why? Because mathematically speaking, 0002 is actually equal to 2. So they don't need to at all. But sometimes we need the leading zeros and they are really important for us. Okay, so how can you add them? Basically, the place or the column you want to add your leading zeros to, you can just select whole column, and from there, or just select a single cell, and from there you select the text option from a drop down in here. Okay, so once you have selected that, just add your 05945432237 and 0 remains there. Obviously, once you do that, you get this error in here or warning. Just click on this and ignore the error and you are good to go. Okay, now it's cool, but let's suppose you have a couple of cells every now and then which you want to make them what? You want to make them non-leading or with leading zeros, right? You want to make them text, right? So how can you do that? Well, it's simple. I suppose this time I have this field in here, which is not a text, it's a general field. And I want to add a particular text in it or leading zeros in it. So what I can do is press single quote. It's on the left of the enter key, so it's called the single quote without shift, obviously. And then you press whatever you want to do and you're good to go. Okay, now this works fine. And obviously you can ignore the error. In here, I want to write leading zeros and good, I'm able to. In here, I want to write leading zeros and I'm able to. So this is how you can add leading zeros. Okay guys, that was all for this tutorial and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.